Welcome to BVS Pragati channel. In this session, let's have a look at the terminology used in stock market called options. So what are options? Options actually allow you to buy a particular asset or a security on which this contract is based. For example, we have stocks SBI, HDFC, Infosys, etc. We have also indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, etc. I normally trade in Bank Nifty. So when you say that, for example, if today his SBI has opened at certain price, okay, if SBI has opened at certain price, today's price is, it opened at 382, it made a high of 385 and it made a low of 369. Now in the morning it opened at 382, which is slightly higher than Friday's close, which was 381.2. Similarly, if you see Bank Nifty, it opened slightly higher than the Friday's close. So if we feel that the Bank Nifty price is going to go up, in that case we would buy a call option. And if we feel that Bank Nifty would go down on particular moment in that day, then we would buy put option, which means we are expecting the Bank Nifty to go down. Now the options have a particular expiry date. For example, today what I bought has an expiry date of 18th March, and you also have monthly expiry, then you have bi-monthly expiry. So respective expiry dates are there. Monthly expiry options are a bit expensive than weekly expiry options. So Bank Nifty primarily has about 12 banks which impact its price. So if we see, the weightage of HDFC Bank is more. HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra, ICICI, SBI and Canara Bank impact its movement. If these banks' stock price is moving in certain direction, the Bank Nifty price will be moving up, else it will be moving down. So in the morning, I have given you buy call for 35,000 PE, which PE means put option, at 485 with a target of 525, and the second target is 550, stop loss is 450. It's always advisable to place a stop loss, because in case of sudden news, at least you would move out with a minor loss of 30 rupees. Now in this case, two lots were sold at 530, one lot was sold at 560 and other lot was sold at 590. Now let's see let's see the respective put option, that is 35,000 put option, and its performance in the morning. So here if we see, there are various statistical analysis. This is the chart of this is the movement of 35,000 put option from morning to evening. So this is exactly at 9:40. So at 9:40 we see that the price is 590. It made a high of 665, and subsequently prior to that, if we see, it triggered at 485 at 9:30. It made a high of at 9:30. It was bought at 485. It made a high of 590. So at 5:30 one lot was sold. A lot means 25 quantity. So if I'm saying that, example, if I'm buying at 100 rupees, that means I would be spending about 25,000 to buy one lot. So similarly, if you sell it at 130 rupees, that means 25 into 30 is your profit. That is 750 rupees. So here the price within a span of 5 minutes moved between 499 to 593. Low is 499, high is 593. Okay, now let's have a look at, I've given you another two buy calls, that is 35,200 call option and 34,400 put option. So 34,400 put option got triggered at 10:56. So let's have a look at 35,200, 34,400 put option. Here is 34,400 put option. I'm opening the chart, and at 10:56, let's look at 10:56. Here it is. So at 10:56 it got triggered, okay, at 422.5, and by 11, if you see at 11 o'clock, this is the next candle, the green candle, we see that it made a high of 471. So